Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can customize watermark on your photos in the Oppo Reno 8T. So at the start, open the camera app, then go to the three-dot icon and choose settings. Then look for the watermark and tap on it. How you can see, there you have a few options to edit. You can add your custom text in this place and click save. You can also add a location and date and time. If you want to change the font size, click here and choose your desired one. You can also change the position of your watermark. Now just go back to the camera, take your photo and enjoy your new watermark. This is our one and this is the default. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.